gonna get closer. Yeah. Well, that was pretty low. Man, make them go higher.
Ooh, that was a nice one.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Is this the finale?
No, it's not the finale. Now it's gonna shoot off a bunch of them. Boom, 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 like that.
That is so cool. Where is it? Oh.
That was weird. Ah, it's another one of those weird ones. I don't like it though, but it's weird.
Yeah, but they're supposed to pop up into a bunch of them.
Ooh,
Oh.
like that. Giant's colors. Wow, there's a bunch of them.
Is this the finale?
No,
Whoa.
you'll know it when you see it. Look how far away we are. We see the light first, and then we hear the sound later. Yeah, it must be like so far away. Ooh, I like that one.
Well, that looks like a UFO. Wow.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds for the sound to reach us. 1, 2, 3.
This might be the finale. That's cool. That's really cool.
How do they make those things? Like some will, like that, and they'll disappear. Other ones will like fall down. I don't know what that thing is. Oh, some of them will do that. And we're the only ones out here watching it. No one else comes out to do this.
Whoa, Daddy, look at that one.
Yes.
What was that?
Oh, it's like it's weird. It's like it doesn't know what to do.
That was a big one.
Well, this might be the finale.
Yes, this is probably the
This is
finale.
it.
That.
This didn't last that long.
Yeah, but Dad, we were probably inside most of the time.
We heard it go boom. I like the finales.
Whoa, look at the light in the air. That is so cool. What was that? Hey, Daddy.
That was it. That's it, Nick.
Okay.
Okay.
But
Well, I hope you got some good tape there.